Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 30i, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it was 31 minutes, most of the time I've spent on the settings. You've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. And if you want to check some further details, you can either tap inside this graph and we will be transferred to this dashboard, which will show you the exact information from particular days. You can compare them, you can check the screen time and the notifications received and times opened, and you can tap on particular app, so for example settings, phone, camera. Simply tap on it and again you will have this dashboard, but this time tightly connected with this one app. You can also change the screen time and from daily to hourly. It's up to you. What is more, here you've got the ways to disconnect, and I highly recommend to check this option, especially if you feel that you're spending too much time on your device, on the screen. You can set the focus mode, bedtime mode. So basically you will have to select distracting apps. So for example, the apps connected with the social media, mark them, set the schedule, so the start and the end time, particular days of the week, and then your device will simply hide the notifications, so you'll be able to focus and work without any kind of disturbance. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.